Hi there. You know, Ancho Chili powder is a fantastic seasoning. I like to use it in tamales, enchiladas, and the enchilada gravy. I like to use it in chili. It's a completely different taste than chili powder you're probably used to, and it's easy enough to make. So I'm going to show you quick today how to make your own Ancho chili powder, and it starts with dried ancho peppers. Now you can find them in packages a lot smaller than this, and you find them in the market. Myers has them. Different markets have them. What you want to do is seed them. So you want to cut the top off. And I like to use a pair of scissors, run it down the side, cut them open. And then unfold them, and you see the seeds. You want to get all the seeds out. Okay, now that we have all our peppers seeded good, we're moving on to the next step. So we have a half a cup of seeded ancho chilies that have been torn into 1/2-inch pieces. You want to put them in a skillet. Basically, we are going to toast them and dry them out. We're also going to add a tablespoon of cumin seed. So we want to put that in. Now, we just want to move them around in the pan. They are pretty soft, so we want to dry some of the moisture out of them. Toast them good. Keep moving them around along with the cumin seed. You'll smell it. It starts getting pretty fragrant. It smells great. So this will take just a little bit. Turn my heat up a little bit more. Just keep them moving in the pan. This recipe isn't hard at all. It actually goes pretty quick. And you get a pretty good amount of ancho chili powder to have on hand when you want to use it for a Mexican dish or chili or whatever you want to use it for. They are starting to smell really good now. So just keep them moving around. You see it's just starting to smoke a little. I think that's about got it. I'm going to kick my heat off. Now, we're going to let these cool, and then I'm going to show you how we finish up our chili powder. So stick in there and I'll be right back. All right, we've toasted our chili peppers and our cumin seed. Next thing we want to do is, they've cooled down, add them to a grinder. I'm using a Ninja. You can use a spice grinder or whatever you have, that'll work. We're also going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. So we want to grind it. Give it a peek. A little bit more. That looks good. So there you have it. There is our Ancho Chilli powder. I'm going to put mine in this glass jar, so I have it on hand when I want to use it. That's it. Simple as can be. I'm going to give you the list of ingredients in the beginning of the video. And I hope you like this video and the other videos that I post on my channel. And I will see you next time.